Hi friends, welcome to a new video. Up to now, only the videos of the printer unboxing and details have been uploaded to the channel. But we are also starting to upload videos of the refill. An easy way to refill ink cartridges and toner cartridges from home with low cost. In this video, I am sharing to you the details of how to refill the HP 78A CE278A Toner Cartridge from home. This is the new toner cartridge of 78A and this is the empty toner cartridge of 78A. Okay, let's see how to refill the 78A toner cartridge without any hole making tool. Here is one spring. It fold and lock to this clip. Before remove this clip. This is the first step. Okay. Many people refill by making a hole in the toner. But in this video, I will show you how to easily refill without hole. First, prepare your workspace. Place paper towels or newspapers on a flat surface to protect your workspace in case you spill toner powder. Put on rubber gloves if you want to make sure you do not get powder on your hands. Printer manufacturers usually do not instruct or even encourage customers on how to refill a toner cartridge in hopes that you will simply buy a new replacement cartridge. However, adding toner to a laser printer on your own is an inexpensive and easy alternative to purchasing a new toner cartridge. Learn how to add toner to your cartridge to help save your money. Both screws are removed. Now we need to clean wiper blade. Okay, you can remove with the screwdriver. Insert like this. After that, remove the wiper blade. You can clean with tissue paper or smooth cotton cloth. Remove the waste powder from waste tank. After then, clean with tissue or cotton cloth. Replace the wiper blade on the correct place and tight with both screws. Next, clean the primary charge roller and replace the correct position. Please note as well that you should not touch the photoconductor drum in no case or expose it to direct sunlight. This could lead to faulty printouts. Next, clean the OPC drum. Also replace the correct position. Purchase the proper type of toner powder that is compatible with your printer and its cartridge. Toner powder is defined by grain size, chemical construction and weight. That is exactly why only the compatible type of toner powder will work with your cartridge. There are several types of toner, but not separate ones for every single printer model. Most differ on features, not basic technology. In a pinch, A toner from a very similar model of printer will probably also work, but research or ask first. All cleaning process are completed. Okay, next let's see how to refill the toner cartridge. First, remove this screw from this side. Okay, remove the screw. Now we need to remove this clip. So first you can press with finger this magnetic roll. After then remove the clip. Okay, like this. Press on with left hand finger. Okay, now remove it. Next, remove the magnetic roll and clean with tissue paper or cotton cloth. After then replace the correct place. Refill toner and toner powder may cause serious health problems if not handled carefully. We recommend always using breathing protection while refilling toner cartridges. Furthermore, toner powder and refill toner can be highly flammable with an appropriate oxygen mixture. After one or two refills, we recommend that you empty the waste toner container because otherwise a perfect printing quality cannot be guaranteed. Next, the magnetic roll rotate to both sides manually. If this magnetic roll does not turn, the roll is not properly placed. So, check again and place it properly. After then, shake the cartridge lightly from side to side, holding horizontally to ensure even distribution of the toner powder. Everything is replaced now. But how to know toner is ready to use or not? In the last step, the OPC drum rotates to both sides manually. If this drum does not turn, the drum is not properly placed. So check again and place it properly. If rotate the drum smoothly, this mission is successfully completed, and reinstall the cartridge in your printer. This video winding up now. If you have any doubts or need to know anything more, you can comment on this video. See you on next video. Thanks friends. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.